When I chose freelancing, I thought I was choosing freedom. My own time, my own clients, my own terms. I imagined a life of freedom, working from home, from cafes, from anywhere. Just open the laptop, complete the tasks, and the income flows consistently. At least, that's what I thought. But as the days passed, I realized something. Freedom without discipline is just an illusion. I thought, I have skills, I have a laptop, I'll find clients easily. But the first 6 months? Just silence. No projects. No money. Only frustration. That's when I understood freelancing isn't a lifestyle, it's a mindset shift. Imagine a triangle with 3 sides. Freedom to work. Control over decisions. Steady income. Most freelancers only manage 1 or 2. But a career is built when you balance all 3. And listen carefully. If you want a stable and predictable life, do not choose freelancing in the beginning. But if you can see opportunity even in uncertainty, then welcome aboard. Let's start by breaking some common myths. Myth 1. Freelancing is easy. Absolutely not. A freelancer isn't just a designer or a writer. He's a one-man army. You have to find clients, handle them, deliver work, manage invoices, and generate leads, all by yourself. Myth 2. Freelancing equals freedom. Not at all. In my first year, I barely stepped out of my house because my income wasn't stable. It wasn't freedom. It was pressure. Myth 3. AI will make freelancing effortless. Wrong again. AI is just a support system. If you're not clear about your work, AI will only give you average results. Now let's talk about the 5 lessons I wish I knew when I started freelancing. Lesson 1. You don't get clients from platforms. You get them through outreach. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork don't give visibility to new freelancers. The solution? Direct outreach. Write cold emails, send DMs, pitch your work smartly. Use AI tools like Flowrite or ChatGPT to write emails faster. But remember, personalization is the key. Lesson 2. Google Drive folders are not portfolios. Those days are gone. A Drive link will never represent your real work. Instead, use Framer, Notion, or Wix to build a simple portfolio website. Show real-world mock projects. And use AI tools to enhance presentations, like adding 3D mock-ups to showcase your designs. Lesson 3. Treat freelancing like a business from day one. When you take projects like a friend, you end up getting friendship, not payment. Create a contract, send an invoice, and always ask for at least 25% advance. Whether it's a $100 project or $10,000, your system should remain the same. Lesson 4. You need complementary skills beyond your main skill. Editing, designing, or coding isn't enough. Clients will ask you to send proposals, suggest plans, or negotiate. I had no idea how to do that in the beginning. The real freelancing struggle is handling sales calls, negotiation, and lead generation. Lesson 5. Personal brand matters more than a CV. Simple truth. What's visible sells. When I started posting my work regularly on Instagram and YouTube, clients began reaching out directly. And now with tools like Opus and Descript, creating and editing reels has become so easy. But remember, consistency beats everything. Final advice. My biggest mistake? Starting freelancing without a plan. I had faith in freelancing, but reality hit hard. So don't repeat my mistake. If you're working a job or studying in college, start freelancing as a side hustle first. Build at least 6 months of consistent income and a 12-month emergency fund before going full-time. Because freelancing is rewarding, but it's also unpredictable. And if you've understood these 5 lessons, you're already ahead of 50% of freelancers out there.